Craving for a perfectly cooked hotel-style mutton biryani with fluffy non-sticky rice and juicy tender mutton? Here is the recipe. Hello everyone, welcome to Home Plate Delights. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Let's start by pressure cooking the mutton. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next I am adding 1 kg of mutton. You do not need to add much oil to this biryani as mutton itself releases lots of oil by its own while cooking. Next add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry the mutton very well until it releases all its moisture. Next add some salt. Add enough water. Here I am adding about 1.5 glass of water and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, look at this how beautifully the mutton has cooked. Let's strain this and keep this water for the biryani later. Next, let's prepare this special green masala. In a mixer jar, add 1 large garlic, 2 inches of ginger, 5 to 6 green chilies, 1 large onion, handful of coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves. Add a very little water. Remember, onion releases lots of moisture while grinding. Blend it into a smooth paste. Next, it's time to make biryani. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Next to the oil, I am adding whole garam masala, 3 bay leaves and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Saute it well in the oil. Let it release all its fragrance to the oil. Next, I am adding 1 small sliced onion. Add cooked mutton. Fry it for a couple of minutes. Let it extract all the fragrance from whole masala. Next I am adding spice powders. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Next add our special green masala paste. Give it another quick mix. Fry it very well until the raw smell disappears. This green masala is what gives extraordinary taste and color to the biryani. The masala has cooked very well. The raw smell has completely disappeared. Next I am adding roughly chopped 1 medium-sized tomato. Add 1 cup of soaked basmati rice. I had soaked this basmati rice for an hour. Use a soft spatula and give it a good mix. Let the rice extract all the spices from the masala. Next, I am adding 1 glass of mutton stock which we had saved from the cooked mutton. It is 1:1 ratio. For 1 glass of soaked basmati rice, 1 glass of mutton stock. Add salt as per your taste. Remember, we had added salt while cooking mutton as well. Squeeze in half a lemon and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. It is completely cooled down. Let's open this. Wow, look at this beautiful biryani. It smells amazing. I hope you have liked this beautiful biryani recipe. If you have liked this biryani, please give a big thumbs up and let me know your feedback and experience in the comment. Look at this perfectly cooked juicy mutton. Perfect non-sticky rice. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.